Hi, this is Dr. Scott with Hearing Solution Centers, and today I want to talk about this little device called the Starlink from Starkey, Starlink Edge. So we've had these patients who cannot hook up their iPhone, or excuse me, their phones to their hearing aids. So we have, for instance, if you have a Android G20, or you have some Walmart phones or Jitterbug type of phones that can't really hook up to a really newer type of hearing aids. So, for instance, we have patients who have vocational rehab, or they have um, not as good of hearing aids or phones, but they have pretty darn good hearing aids. So they're having a trouble having a hookup to their phones. Or, for instance, I'm going to give you an example here. They need to be able to hook up to the laptop, right? So, and we have a patient doing that exact same kind of thing. So there's a demonstration I'm going to show you on the screen over here, and a way that it can be done. So this, I muted this kind of thing so you kind of see it. So you can actually be able to plug this little thing in. You plug it in, and you plug it in very kind of quickly. The blue light comes on the phone, or on the bottom of the phone. On the hearing aids, it'll have a green light that comes on. This is on the Starkey Edge and the Starkey Omegas. And within very short seconds, it will Bluetooth it out. Now, it doesn't work on the iPhone necessarily, because the iPhone is going to happen inside of the native software. Okay, so that is actually not going to work on that particular type of phone. But let me show you what I did actually on a computer. So let me pull this up, what I actually did over here.
With Hearing Solution Centers. And I'm going to show you how a computer can actually work with these really cool, interesting Starkey Starlink Edge LE Adapter. So I just pulled it out of the case. Okay, so it's an Starkey LE a USB-C adapter, okay? So you can use this on any phone that has a C-Link type of phone. I'm
Yep,
using this
CCI.
on a computer right here, okay? So we're gonna show you with a phone, or excuse me, a couple of Starkey Omnia, or excuse me, Omega. Okay, so these are RT Omegas, but you can do this on Starkey Edge, and there's several other types of hearing aids that do this. Okay, so what we're going to show you with that is we're going to plug this in to the computer. Sorry, I'm moving it around here because I got to move things around with my computer. So first off, it just read it, and you're going to see it read it here in just a second. You're going to watch it read. Now, one of the things it's going to do is it's reading this little device. Okay, now we're going to take the hearing aids out of the device and going to lay it just beside it, and you're going to see the green lighted. And one of the things that's going to happen is it's going to say, oh, wait a second, now these were just some demo devices. And we're going to say, wait a second, pairing James's hearing aids. So we're going to pair these hearing aids to the computer. It's connecting, and they're making noises. Connecting. It takes a second, and it says one Bluetooth connected. We're finding the other one. We're connecting. It's connecting them out, and we were listening through the hearing aids themselves. We would be Bluetooth connected because of this little device right here. Now we're going to talk about that more on another video.
And so what would happen in that way is that I have patients who would, if you're going to do short bursts of of a call, you have to do a video call back and forth, it would be great for it. Now, if you're going to be working a long time, you probably want to have headphones where you're going to be working customer service, and that's what you do all day. But if you're just going to have that circumstance where you just have a couple times where you want to have your hearing aids once in a while pulled out, yeah, that's a great time frame for this to be able to have in that kind of way. Now, there is another kind of circumstance that happens, especially on the Starkey Omega and the Starkey Edge. So, if you had an iPhone and an iPad, you can actually pair both of them out, and you can either turn off you can turn off uh, rem, uh, the Bluetooth of one and listen to the Bluetooth of the other one, or you can go into the native software and into the app accessories and point it to whichever one that you want to listen to. So there's lots of little fun little features that we can listen through the hearing aids. Now, most people don't think about that because they don't think it's really kind of cool. But here's what happens when you're listening through the hearing aids, the Bluetooth. I'm listening through the prescription of my hearing loss, and I'm listening through both ears. You see, when I'm putting up a phone to my head, I'm listening to only, whatever that speaker or whatever that sound is on one side. When I'm listening and I'm making a phone call, I never want to make a phone call any other way. And this is kind of what I do. The Scott mechanism is in this way. This is the Scott mechanism. I'm talking through the microphone this way. This is what I'll walk around the house with, or I walk around in circumstances. I walk around and this is how I'm talking. And people, when I try to say, hey, I'm talking on the phone, this is the Scott way of saying, I'm talking on the phone right now. And people think I'm crazy, but this is the way I'm doing it. Now, Bluetooth all the time, they're talking and they can be talking like this, but this is my microphone here, right? My phone's microphone. And this is where I'm listening through the hearing aids. So there's really cool things with having the Starlink and having the capability that you can't always do with iPhones, where you could have the capability of utilizing it. So I think this is going to be a great option for you. And with our place, it's $150. So you can come to us here, Tulsa, to get it. But you can, I'm sure you can find that at your audiology place around the country. But we are trying to show you how it can make a difference in your life. Thank you so much.